Lovely to having you here at Inspire 3.0 and having a quick chat with us at GSLC. Today, a lot of discussions are happening around innovation, 21st century skills. We need students to have 21st century skills, be it communication, critical thinking, problem solving. So would love to know your thoughts on how schools can actually develop these 21st century skills in their students.
Well, yes, and as being part of this whole GSLC Inspire, and since morning we've been seeing this and we've been hearing this from all the able laureates in education, all the leaders of education. 21st century skills are something that we cannot do without. Mm-hmm. And even at Solan Public School, the school that I call my third baby after my two daughters, right. We have our vision and mission to not only develop the all the 4 C's of 21st century skills, along with empathy and compassion. There is something like being a digital citizen, but at the same time not forgetting to DIY, do it yourself.
Correct.
Not forgetting to use your limbs, not forgetting to use your mind, not forgetting to be with Mother Earth, right, and be a responsible citizen for the future, and work on sustainability. In this regard, there are so many things that the school is doing today. In fact, we've been doing it since the day we thought that this little plant we are going to sow in the foothills of Himachal. Children, they have the skill labs. Skill labs are not confined to the room. So our school is blessed to be amidst the pine trees. So children actually step out of the classroom, right, atmosphere, and go work with the environment, go work in the field. We have, right, a little farming area in the school as well. So where the kids have propagated the plants themselves, and the school now boasts of being a green school with more than, I think, 1,300 plants propagated by children themselves.
Superb.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the things, if we teach our children, I'm sure they will never sad to be part of the whole human race.
Correct, correct. Such a nice initiative, ma'am. I mean, the best learning which I can see here is kids going out of their classroom and having a lot of hands-on experience. This gives them the freedom to go out, experiment, try out new things and be innovative. A green school in its truest sense. Thank you so much for your time here, and would love to know your experience at Inspire 3.0, where you have all the educators and the organizations on one platform. What are your thoughts on this event?
Well, as always, Pankaj and his team have always made us feel at home. As educators, sometimes, we, and especially educators like me who are at the helm of things, who are the managers and who love to, get the things done like this.
Right.
So this is the time that we, I can't say that we relax, but we become the lifelong learners that we always aspire to be.
Correct.
We learn from each other, and this is a beautiful platform that you have done to create that educational ecosystem,
right,
within the global education ecosystem, which is absolutely, as the word says, inspiring.
Right. Great. Thank you so much for that lovely pleasure to have you on the chat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a great day.